Guys, welcome back to a new video. I thought to do a video as I didn't do a video in a long time. So this is about one really nice website I found. You can do so many things, and now I'm going to tell you the benefits and how to use it. So this can be done on laptops. This can be done on laptops, desktop, iPads, phones. So I'm going to show you about this website, how to use it. So in this website, there are many things. So like sometimes when you want to make posters, you actually sometimes want to do some, like suppose when you're in class, your teachers give you a task that you have to make a presentation or something, and sometimes in this PowerPoint, Word, we have to pay like that. So we can make like some documents and all in this website, and the website name is Canva. I'll tell you how to use it and way more stuff. So you can see the screen here. So the screen, just search canva.com. It will open for you. So canva.com. For me here, it's saying create a design right here. If you can see my finger, it's saying create a design. Guys, for you it won't appear like that. So before that, when you first open Canva, you need to sign up. So when you sign up, you have to sign up with the email. And like when you sign up with the email, then you have to go to the email where you signed up from, and they'll give you a code to join. So in that, then you will start. And then you will have a screen appearing like this. So in this screen, you can create a design right here. Guys, if you can see, you can create a design. I just bring it a bit closer. It's written create a design right here. Guys, see? Create a design. It's written that. So when we create a design, a type of search comes like then. So in this one, I'll teach you how to make a presentation. So in the presentation, you will, so then I'll make a new tab, and you will open a type of PowerPoint. So there are many options here. So there are many options you can see. There is templates, elements, uploads, photos, text, styles, videos, and background. So here, suppose if you want to add some text, so you go to this text option. You can add a heading, subheading, or you can say add a little body of text. Suppose if I add a heading, so now type, suppose I say life is good. This is just, guys, don't take this seriously. Life is good. I'm just giving an example. So you can see the font is appearing in this color. So if you want to change the font, there are many ways. You can see these are so many light fonts. So suppose I'm taking this font and its name is Glow. So then it will appear here, but you want to write something else. You don't want Glow to be shown. So then I'll tell you the most simple way. So Glow, and we click on Glow, and then you can write, and you can just erase the Glow, and you can write. Suppose I wrote cool, COOL, and this appears, guys. Cool. This is what will appear, and so you can make many fonts. You can choose from the font options. There are millions of fonts, and suppose now if I go in, now I told you about text and all, text fonts. Now suppose I have photos. You can just paste these photos, like photos option comes. Suppose I want this photo, it's right here. This photo I'll use. And now you see, now this photo appears here. You can see this photo appears. I just click and then it comes. And guys, then you can crop it. You can make it smaller. You can make it bigger. Wait. Yeah, you can make it bigger. Or you can even make it like that. Or you can even move it. And that's the same thing with text. You can move it and put it with the text. It's the same thing. Okay, so guys, you get it. And suppose if you have a photo, suppose of Burj Khalifa, in your, and you want to upload it here. So you go in uploads, there's upload media, if you guys can see it. I hope you guys can see it. Upload media, and saying photo library. Suppose I'm choosing this. I'm choosing this, and I add, and then your picture will upload when you use. You just have to click on the photo, and you have to say use that photo. So now it's just uploading. You can see this type of water thing inside the uploads option. And guys, see, so one of the things I uploaded before is saved. So this is a metro, and when I upload this metro right here, see guys, now the metro appeared here. So it's the same thing. And so when you upload, you can just click on the upload and then it'll come. So you guys, you get it? So that's what we can do there. And you can do many effects. You can, so there's a mini table that may come here. If you guys can see it, it's written brightness. So you can just make the brightness higher, lower. And guys, see, this is the brightness, but see what will happen. See, you can see that there's just a photo, then it's become darker and lighter. There's in contrast. Contrast doesn't look that much different, but it makes something. You can see the keyboard thing is. You can see that the picture is getting light and dark, and there's in saturation. Guys, I don't think saturation makes a big difference. It doesn't seem to, but it will make a teeny difference that will help. And guys, in filters, you can see. Suppose there's a solar. See, guys, this is then see my picture of a keyboard, and suppose if I put there, and then it'll change for whimsical. It changes. See. So that's what you can do. And if you want to add a background, suppose guys, I'm going to make a new slide and show you. So guys, you may see this add option. It's a new slide. So suppose I'm writing, Suppose I chose this font of retro, and now see what will happen. If I put a background, I want to choose, suppose this, I see background, and now see, a background comes on my photo on this, and then that's how you can do it. It's really nice. And then you can add more slides, make so many different types. Then guys, when you finish your slide, you can, there's a download option right here. I hope you guys can see it. Guys, so there's a download option right up here, if you guys can see. This download option, you just click download, and guys, it's written suggested a PDF, or guys, you can choose, suppose PDF print, a high quality, an MP4 video, or a GIF, short clip, no sound. Guys, suppose now I'm going to choose it as a PDF print, and then there's a download will come. I click download, and then guys, right here, if you guys can see it. Right here, it's just downloading, and then this will come. Your download is almost ready. Your design is almost ready to download. And when you click download, it'll open a new tab, and it'll load. And guys, see, it's a PDF will come. So this is my PDF. And suppose now I'm going to download it as an MP4 video. So suppose a video, guys, I kind of like video. It's way better, I'd say. And then you'd see another video is downloading. Guys, and if you download, it doesn't take that much room of your data. It takes a bit less room. And see, it's downloading. Yeah, and it's written this. And now see, guys, it will appear as a video. Automatically, the slides will change for you. See, it's automatically changed. So you can pause it. You can put it 15 seconds backwards. And that's all you can do in presentation in Canva. Bye guys, I hope you have a good time. Like, share and subscribe my channel.